All right, so this video is going to show you how to subtract decimals using the standard algorithm. So my problem is shown here. I have 41 wholes and 84 hundredths, and I need to take away 9 hundredths. So in order to set this up, the first thing I want to do is line up my decimals and make sure all of my numbers are lined up with the right place values. So I like to start by putting my decimals down first and then putting my numbers in to make sure that they're in the right place with their decimal. So here, I want to put my larger number first. So in front of this decimal, I know I have 41 in front and 84 on the other side. So I included my 41 and 84 hundredths. Now I'm going to fill in my 9 hundredths. So in front of this decimal, I have a 0. And after this decimal, I have a 9. So what I'm noticing is that I have some empty spaces that are looking a little bit funny. And I remember from my anchor chart that I want to use zeros as placeholders. So I see an empty space here that I want to fill in with a 0. And I see an empty space here that I want to fill in with a 0. And now I know that I have my numbers lined up correctly and aligned, and I'm ready to subtract. And again, I always want to start in my smallest place value. So I want to go all the way to the right in order to subtract. So here I have 4, take away 0 is 4. Now I go into my next place value and I see 8, take away 9. But what I notice is that if I only have 8, I don't have enough to subtract 9. So I need to go over to the next place value and decompose. So this would become 0, and this would become 18. I decomposed the 1 and added another 10 tenths so that I would have enough here to subtract. So now I have 18. 18 take away 9 is 9. And now I have 0 minus 0 is 0. I have 4 take away 0 is 4. And then I want to make sure my decimals aligned, these aligned, and then I just continue that line to bring it down into my answer. So here I can see that my answer is 40 and 94 hundredths.